Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the syllabus of class 12th for board and NEET examinations. इसमें मैं बात करूंगा जो सिलेबस क्लास 12th का है, रिसेंट अपडेटेड सिलेबस। तो इसमें हम लोग बात करेंगे सिलेबस 12th बायो रिसेंट अपडेटेड जो है, रिसेंटली अपडेटेड जो सिलेबस है उसकी बात किया जाएगा, जो कि बोर्ड एंड नीट के पर्सपेक्टिव से इंपॉर्टेंट है। नीट के पर्सपेक्टिव से इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है। तो अगर मैं इस पे बात करूं तो यूनिट वाइज पहले इसको सेट करेंगे, ठीक है। 5 यूनिट बना के रखा गया है इसमें, फिर जैसा 11th में था वैसा ही। तो जो लोग नीट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं उनके लिए मैं इस पे अच्छा थोड़ा सा मैं इसको एलिबरेट भी करता चलूंगा, ताकि आप लोग समझते चलो कि इसकी पढ़ाई कैसे करनी, तैयारी कैसे करनी है। अब इसमें 5 यूनिट है। यूनिट फर्स्ट, यूनिट सेकेंड, यूनिट थर्ड, यूनिट फोर्थ एंड यूनिट फिफ्थ। तो ये 5 यूनिट्स हैं, जिसमें कि फर्स्ट यूनिट जो है इट इज रिप्रोडक्शन। फर्स्ट यूनिट में रिप्रोडक्शन पढ़ेंगे। इन द फर्स्ट यूनिट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द रिप्रोडक्शन which will be for 14 marks for the board. I am currently discussing for the board. Later on I will discuss about the NEET. So the first unit will be reproduction for 14 marks. In this unit we will discuss reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction, and reproductive health, etc. And second will be the genetics and evolution. Second will be genetics and evolution. This will be for 18 marks. It is one of the most important units. In this unit we will discuss about inheritance and variations, chromosomal basis of inheritance, molecular basis of inheritance, and evolution. Third will be biology or microbiology, etc. You can consider it like this: biology for human health. Okay? And this will be for 14 marks. Third unit will be biotechnology and its application. Sorry, fourth unit. Fourth unit will be biotechnology and applications, and this will be for 10 marks. And the fifth and last unit will be ecology and environment. Fifth and last will be ecology and environment, and this unit will be for 14 marks too. Okay, so now we can consider the unit first, unit second, unit fourth and third. अब अगर मैं बात करूं कि मेरे हिसाब से जो कि स्टडी के पर्पज से बोर्ड के लिए तो सारा पढ़ना है, जो लोग नीट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, for those students who are preparing for the NEET and currently pursuing these units, I will recommend them to go for this and this initially. Later on you can go for this. Now मैं ऐसा क्यों कह रहा हूं ये बता दूं. Why I am saying so? Reproduction, genetics, ecology, biology for human health are the most easiest units. Okay, now we will discuss each and every unit separately, what we'll have to study and what are the key points of those units. First will be reproduction. Okay. So in this unit, we will study as follows: reproduction in organisms. First will be reproduction in organisms. But in recent advancement of board examination, this chapter is removed. Okay, but initially we will have to study for the NEET, in which we will study types of reproduction, which is asexual and sexual reproduction. Second is reproduction in flowering plants. Reproduction in flowering plants. And in this chapter, we will study structure of flower, pollination, fertilization. And this chapter is divided into two parts: pre and post. Okay, pre-fertilization, post-fertilization event. Third chapter is human reproduction. Human reproduction, or in other terms, you can say reproductive system of human. Okay. In this chapter, we will discuss the reproductive system, gametogenesis, embryo development. In the gametogenesis, we will study spermatogenesis and oogenesis. And fourth unit will be reproductive health. It is most important topic, not only for the board or NEET. Listen to me carefully here. Reproductive health is not only important for board and NEET. It is also important for various examinations, wherever the biology comes. Either in UPSC, PCS, railway examination, it can be useful for every examination. And it is very easy chapter. In this chapter, we will study contraceptives, STDs, infertility, ART. Okay. And in unit second, we will discuss about the genetics. In unit second, we will discuss about genetics. जेनेटिक्स में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे मेंडेलियन जेनेटिक्स, क्रोमोसोमल बेसिस, मॉलिक्यूलर बेसिस, इसमें डीएनए के बारे में पढ़ते, जीन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। अच्छा, मेंडेलियन जेनेटिक्स में बेसिक जेनेटिक्स पढ़ी जाती है, ठीक है। इसमें जेनेटिकल डिसऑर्डर ये सब पढ़ लेंगे। क्रोमोसोमल में क्रोमोसोम के द्वारा जितने हुए होंगे, ठीक है, क्रोमोसोम कैसे काम करते हैं, क्योंकि जेनेटिक की सीक्वेंसिंग होती है, कैसे काम किया गया, कैसे स्टडी की गई। तो जब शुरुआत होती है 1865 से बेसिकली, उसके बाद से ये इवॉल्व होता गया। कोई क्रोमोसोम की कंसेप्ट नहीं आया, क्रोमोसोम आया तो फिर जीन कंसेप्ट आया, उसके बाद फिर हम डीएनए पे चले गए, तो उसी सीक्वेंस हम इसको पढ़ते हैं। लास्ट में बच जाता है इवोल्यूशन। इवोल्यूशन चैप्टर बहुत छोटा कर दिया गया है, तो बहुत टेंशन की बात नहीं है। इवोल्यूशन में हम लोग बेसिकली अब पढ़ते हैं सिर्फ ओरिजिन ऑफ लाइफ, एविडेंसेस, डार्विनिज्म, लैमार्किज्म एंड कंपैरिजन और अडॉप्टिव रेडिएशन। इसके बारे में हमको पढ़ना होता है, ज्यादा इसमें नहीं मेहनत करनी। नाउ कम टू द यूनिट थर्ड। नेक्स्ट इज यूनिट थर्ड। Unit third is about the biology and human welfare. In this unit, we will discuss two main chapters: human health and disease, and enhancement of food production. So here, basically, biology or microbiology. Proper term will be microbiology. Here we will discuss the disease, pathogen, immunity, vaccines, and second chapter will be enhancement of food technology or food products. In this chapter, we will study breeding, animal husbandry, tissue culture. It can be said as we will study the various methods to enhance our food, either vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Fourth is biotechnology. Fourth is biotechnology. Unit 4, biotechnology. Biotechnology, basically we will discuss two main chapters. First will be the principle and process, and second will be the application of biotechnology. What will be principle and process, and second will be applications. Fifth unit is ecology and environment. Ecology and environment. In this unit, we will discuss mainly 4 chapters, which may have divided into other chapters, but generally we have only 4 chapters, which are organisms and population. Organisms and population. In this chapter, we will discuss mostly adaptation of animals, population and their inheritance. Second will be the ecosystem. Third will be the biodiversity, and fourth will be environmental issues. So here, first is organism and population. Second is basically ecosystem. Third will be the environmental issue. The third is biodiversity. Biodiversity. And fourth is environmental issue. So here these 5 units are basic for the 12th and for the NEET preparation. Now later on I will discuss each and every topic and the chapters in separate videos, and I will try to elaborate each and every point so that study gets more easy, and I will try to make it as simple as possible so that you can understand in better way. If you have any kind of doubt, problem, you may ask directly go to the comment section and drop your problem or questions. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Thanks. See you soon.